Hey, fashion lovers! Welcome back to Elegant Muse Styles. Today, we're talking about elegance, but with a twist. While black is always a classic, these six rich, refined colors will give you that elegant look while keeping your style fresh and unique. Ready to take your wardrobe to the next level? Plum Purple. Our first black replacement is Plum Purple. This deep, luxurious color is perfect for adding drama and sophistication to any outfit. Plum is a versatile color. It can be formal or casual depending on how you style it. Try a plum blouse with black or gray trousers for a modern, chic look. Or go bold with a plum purple dress for evening wear. It's rich, elegant, and always makes a statement.
Charcoal gray.
Next up, we have charcoal gray. Now, gray may seem like an obvious alternative, but what makes charcoal stand out is its depth. It has that darker tone, but without the stark contrast of black. Charcoal is great for both work and casual wear. Pair a charcoal gray coat with lighter colors like white or cream to soften the look. For an easy and polished outfit, a charcoal gray dress with silver accessories is always a winner. Deep Burgundy. Let's talk about one of my personal favorites, Deep Burgundy. This rich, wine red shade is perfect for those of you who want to make a bold statement while still looking elegant. Burgundy is an ideal color for evening wear or formal occasions. It adds depth and luxury to your look, especially when paired with gold or nude accessories. Think of it as a sophisticated pop of color, an elegant showstopper. Olive green. Moving on, we have olive green. This earthy shade is incredibly versatile and adds a subtle sophistication to any outfit. Olive green is perfect for fall, but it works year-round depending on how you style it. For a casual, relaxed look, try an olive green jacket or blouse paired with neutral colors like white or beige. It's understated, but still makes an impact. Navy blue. Next we have navy blue. It's timeless, elegant, and has that same sophisticated edge as black, but with a softer touch. Navy is perfect for professional settings. It's less harsh than black and pairs well with neutrals like white or beige. You can even try with mustard yellow, try a tailored navy blazer for work, or switch it up with a navy evening gown for a formal event. It gives you that classy, polished look without feeling too predictable. Chocolate brown. Let's talk about chocolate brown. This warm, earthy tone is the perfect choice if you want to bring richness and coziness into your wardrobe. Chocolate brown is ideal for the colder months, but it's not limited to just winter. You can easily style it with lighter neutrals for a sophisticated look. Think of a chocolate brown coat over a cream sweater. It's cozy, elegant, and timeless. For a more formal outfit, a chocolate brown dress with gold accents is a perfect combination of warmth and luxury. Emerald green. Finally, we have emerald green. This vibrant, luxurious shade is full of energy and brings a fresh twist to your wardrobe. Emerald green is bold but refined, making it perfect for a standout evening look. For day wear, you can add an emerald green coat or scarf to instantly brighten your outfit. And for a glamorous evening look, try an emerald green dress paired with gold or silver jewelry. Trust me, heads will turn. It's a color that commands attention without feeling over the top. So there you have it, 7 elegant colors that can replace black while keeping your outfit sophisticated and chic. From navy blue to charcoal gray, deep burgundy to olive green, chocolate brown, plum purple, and emerald green, each of these shades brings something special to your wardrobe, giving you that polished, luxurious feel. Which color are you excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fashion tips and inspiration.
See you next time.